Hi, my name is Julian Perez with PG Lifelink, and we're here at our office in front of an IPP Plus isolated power panel, and we're going to be going over the core components of any isolation panel. First component that you'll see in every isolation panel is going to be your isolation transformer. These are designed for low leakage and they are hospital grade. PG Lifelink does offer them in sizes of 3 kVA, 5 kVA, 7.5, 10, 15, 20, and 25 kVA for some of our larger panels. This particular one is equipped with a 10 kVA transformer. We do also offer several different primary voltages, from 120 volts all the way up to 480 volts for any application that's needed. The next component in the isolation panel is going to be your circuit breakers or your circuit breaker panel board. We do offer a few different series. Eaton are our standard ones, but we do also offer Siemens, Square D, and GE or ABB style breakers. In all instances, they are bolt-on breakers, so much more robust, feed all your power to all your circuits. The next component in every isolation panel is going to be your line isolation monitor, or LIM, or LIM for short. What this is going to do is actually monitor the amount of leakage current going on to each line of the system, and it's going to give you a display here showing you how much leakage current is in the system, and if it ever does reach the 5 milliamp threshold of injury, we'll start visually and audibly alarming to make sure that the users of the system are aware of that and they can start taking steps in order to decrease that leakage. For some installations of isolated power panels, they are located outside of the actual operating suite. In that case, we do offer remote enunciators like this style right here. This would be installed inside the OR suite to make sure that the code required visual and audible alarm are being provided to the users of the system. So if a particular installation or construction project requires that a isolation panel goes outside of the room or anywhere that's not visible, this would be installed inside the room to make sure the code is being provided for them. Depending on the type of isolation panel, either a single, duplex, laser, high voltage, or any of the other types that we provide, will always come with a back box. They are made out of galvanized steel, and this particular one is a flush mount installation. All of our back boxes are rated for NEMA Type 1 general purpose enclosures, and in accordance with UL 50 are assembled here at our shop. We do also offer surface mount options, so if wall space is limited and needs to be installed in a electrical room or some other constraints that require it be surface mounted, we do also offer that as well.